Hey there. So Instagram has recently launched one application called Threads by Instagram, and it is just like Twitter where you post by writing text, adding images, videos, etc. etc. But still I'll walk you through this app and we'll see how it looks like and how you can post a thread. So let's get into the video. So you'll find this application on Play Store and App Store easily. So this is how it looks like after opening. So here, as you can see, there are lots of text based tweets, or you can say threads, which people are posting, where you can also add images and videos. So that's 500 character limit, so you can post within that range. And if you click on search icon here, you can search for accounts and follow them by clicking on their account. So here I am searching for an account and click on their profile and follow from there. Now how to thread or how to post. So click on this edit option on middle, and here you can write anything which you can post, and if you click on this link icon, then you can add images and videos to your thread, and just click on here and click on post option. Now your thread will be posted and you can view it by clicking on the view option, and it will redirect you to your profile section, and you can see here your posted threads. And that's pretty much it. This was a quick walkthrough of the new Threads app, and also if you want to delete any thread or the thread post, click on the three dot option from a right corner and click on delete option, and it will get deleted easily. And that's it for this videos. Make sure to like and subscribe because we post daily informative videos. Let's see you guys in the next video.